Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava cake. First, ensure your phyllo dough is thawed correctly, ideally in the refrigerator overnight. This prevents tearing. Next, you'll need to brush each delicate phyllo sheet with a generous 2 tablespoons of melted butter or ghee. This step is crucial for achieving that signature golden, flaky texture. For the base, carefully layer 8 to 10 of these buttered sheets into your cake pan, pressing gently to fit. Now let's create the delicious nut filling. In a bowl, combine 2 cups of finely chopped walnuts, half a cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix these ingredients thoroughly. Spread 1/3 of this aromatic nut mixture evenly over your prepared phyllo base. Then, repeat the layering process. Add another 4 to 5 buttered phyllo sheets, followed by another 1/3 of the nut mixture. Do this 2 more times for rich layers. Before baking, gently score the top layers of your baklava cake into diamond or square shapes. This helps the syrup penetrate evenly. Place your cake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 45 to 55 minutes, or until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and crisp texture. The moment it comes out of the oven, immediately pour warm simple syrup over the hot cake. This creates that irresistible sweet, moist finish. Once the syrup is poured, the hardest part is waiting. Allow your baklava cake to cool completely for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This crucial step ensures the syrup is fully absorbed, resulting in a perfectly moist and flavorful dessert. For a beautiful presentation, garnish with some chopped pistachios or a light sprinkle of cinnamon. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade baklava cake.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.